Today's word is
conflict. Conflict can act as a noun as well as a verb. Conflict, conflict, conflict. Conflict means a serious disagreement, argument, or fight between people, groups, or countries. Or to be different from or disagree with something, making it difficult for both things to be true or happen together.
examples.
The two countries are trying to avoid conflict. There was a conflict between the two co-workers over the project. His work schedule conflicts with his evening classes. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence using today's word in the comments. Try using this word today. Please subscribe and join with us for daily vocabulary lessons.